How to make 1k per month with no skill. Bro, did you think like I'll be teaching this bullshit to you? Like how to make 1k per month with no skill? How do you think it is possible to make money without a skill? Why did this thought came in your mind that you can make money like even that can be 1k 10k whatever the money is? How did you think that you can make that much money with no skill? People who are selling you these dreams are a freaking scammer. If you come across this kind of people on your timeline, bro, your timeline is fucked. Go go like build another account, right? Go make another account and use that one and find a better circle. You really need that. Like, I don't believe why does thought like this type of thought come in your mind, like I want to make money with no skill. Do you think like you can make money without a skill? Is it really possible? Bro, imagine this, right? Even if you make 1k per month without a skill, right, do you think it will be sustainable? In the era of AI, do you think you can make money without a skill? You will be get you will get replaced within 1 or 2 months. It is that simple. It is that easy to replace you if you go and try to make money without a skill. So don't fall for these dreams. I'm tired of people like getting sold this kind of deals, dreams that you can make money without a skill. I don't know why this thought always come into people's mind that if they can make money. But yeah, like now people will say, okay, bro, you can like do drop servicing, right? You can do drop servicing online, and it requires no skill. But bro, you are fucking wrong. You still need a skill. You need to know how to hire like the right people, and that is also a skill. People get paid for that, to hire good people. You need to know how to find the right talent to give that service to. If you think drop servicing will make you a shit ton of money and you need no skill, go give it a go, right? If you like do not fail, right, come into my YouTube chat, say it on my face that, bro, this is what I did, and I will quit YouTube that day. I'm pretty sure no one will be able to do that. You still need a skill. So it doesn't matter how much money you want to make, but just trust me, even it is like $1 online, you need to have like a good skill to make that much money, right? There is nothing online that you can make money from without a skill. So just keep this basic thought in your mind, or basic idea in your mind, right? Now, so what you should be doing is, instead of chasing these bullshit dreams, go find a skill that you want to learn. Now, even if you do not know what skill to learn, bro, I have like a whole newsletter created teaching people how to do, like how to copyright, right? How to do copywriting. I have that link in my description. Go subscribe, learn from me, right? And then apply it. Apply the skills in practical life, right? Write blogs, write ads, write emails, whatever you want. Write social copies. I don't care whatever you are writing. Just write and make money from it, right? So pick one skill, even if it's copywriting that I'm teaching. Pick that, use that, practice that, and then make money from it. Do not fall for these dreams that you can make money without a skill. Whoever teaching you, I'm telling it again, whoever teach like saying you this like you can make money without a skill, don't follow them. Like literally just go and block them. Find a better circle of creators or better circle of influencers to follow, right? So I'll not like rant anymore. Like, this video was made for ranting. That was like the main thought behind making this video, because I was tired of it. Like, I was searching freelancing, and bro, 90% of the freelancers that came into my on my search list were like people who are selling you can make XYZ amount of money with no skills. And surprisingly, people who are making these kind of videos are Indians, because I know Indians are the ones who always fall for these scams. Why? I don't know. Maybe it's I don't know, to be honest. It may be genetical, or I don't know what is it. But Indians has this thought in their mind that I want to make money without doing any hard work. Bro, that is not something that is possible. If you have this kind of mindset, change it, please. For God's sake, change it. Because if you have this kind of mindset, you will not be surviving till like very long online, even if it's like offline. I don't care, but yeah. So follow better people, learn a skill, make money using it. Online, offline, I don't care. Wherever it is, just make money using your skill. Do not rely on this, no skill money things. So that is it for this video. I will not ask you to like this video. I just wanted to like rant about it because I was super tired of seeing this bullshit online. So yeah, I guess that is it for this video. And I'll not stretch it anymore. Um, Again, like before I end this video, I have my newsletter linked in the description. You will learn like about copywriting through my newsletter. So if you're interested, go and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace.